This is DJI Air 3 and today I'll show how you can swap the battery in this drone. First step is to take the aircraft, make sure that it is powered off. Then you have the sight with the camera, so look at the opposite side, so at the back side of the drone where you'll find the charging port. So here is the battery, and the way you take it out is by pressing those buttons on the sides. So press them all the way in and then simply take out the battery. Now go ahead and take out the replacement battery. Make sure to position it exactly like that. The way you want to align it is to align this contact part with that contact part, so make sure that the orientation is correct, and then simply slide it in. You do not need to use any force or something. Then push it all the way until you hear a very distinguishable click, which identifies that the camera has been mounted successfully. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.